It's time for another home and kitchen restock. I make everything from scratch because I'm intolerant to fructose and I can't really eat anything. A lot of you guys have been asking about my breakfast sausage, so here it is. It's 1.5 pounds of meat. I'm using ground turkey today. I also like to use this poultry seasoning. Here's what's in there. I add some chives and some garlic infused olive oil, and what makes it taste like breakfast sausage is fresh sage. Don't skip the fresh sage. Form it into patties and cook your breakfast sausage. I always freeze them into portions. I also made my sourdough flatbread, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of starter, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 cup of milk of choice. I let it rest and ferment overnight. I roll them to a 1/4 inch thickness and then fry them on both sides about a couple minutes each side. Those also freeze well. Then I made Dutch babies for breakfast for the week. Melt a 1/4 cup of butter in a 9x13 pan, 425 degrees. Then mix together a cup of milk, 6 eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 3/4 cup gluten-free all-purpose flour. Pour it into the hot pan with the melted butter, and you're gonna bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. This is my breakfast for the week. I serve with powdered sugar and lemon. All right, bye!